Hey, our friends Sarah and John, Nintendo Switch 2.
Before we start, I want to give you a quick preview of how our drawings turned out. This lesson's really fun, and I hope you're excited to follow along with us. For this lesson, you need your markers or something to draw with. We're using a Sharpie to draw the black lines, and then we used our alcohol-based markers to color with at the very end. We're also drawing on marker paper to help keep the markers lasting much longer than using regular printer paper.
But you can use whatever you have at home.
Yeah, like colored pencils or even crayons would work just fine.
Yeah.
You ready to start?
Yes.
We're starting with our paper horizontal so that we have room for the whole thing. Nintendo Switch 2 is massive.
Yeah.
We're going to draw the rectangle or the screen first. Let's draw a short line down, and I'm drawing it over here on the left, and might make it a little bit taller. It'd be nice if we had one we could trace.
Yeah.
We should borrow Jack's.
Oh, yeah.
That's good size. Okay, I'm going to turn my paper. I'm going to make mine a little taller, just like you. There we go. Then and a little taller. There we go. You keep yours the same.
Just like that's
good. Yours is really tall. Okay, I'm going to make mine a little taller. Okay, stop making yours taller. All right. Now we're going to draw this line coming down for the bottom, and then I'm going to turn it back this way, and man, it's huge. We're going to draw, this might be life size. Well, I think it's a little too tall now, but
No, I think that's all right.
is that good size?
Yeah.
It's really wide, and I think this is a little too tall. That's okay. Yours is a little better. You could go a little further. I might go a little further too, because then it'll be off center on the paper, but it'll be the right screen size.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to draw a line towards us. We turn our paper. I think it's a little easier to draw a straight line when you drag the line towards you. Yeah, then we can turn it back this way and then connect the top down to the bottom. That's awesome. Good job. Okay, now let's draw, what are these called?
Joy-Cons.
Joy-Cons. Then we're going to draw it curving out around and then curve back down. We could draw a little straight line right here so that we try to balance it, but let's just try it. We're practicing, right? Mm-hmm. So we're gonna curve out, and then we're gonna come straight down, and then curve back in. Yeah, just keep going, and then come down, and then curve back in.
It's gonna look like the Switch 1.
No, that's okay. These are a little thicker, right? Then we're gonna come over here and try to draw that same size over here on this side, and curve into the bottom. Mine's a little off too, but it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, yours are a lot skinnier, huh?
Yeah.
That's okay. I like it. Good job. Now let's draw the joysticks. We're going to draw a circle up here in the top left. And then inside of this, we're going to draw another one, but we're going to kind of draw like a moon or a crescent. Then let's do the same thing. This one on this side is in the middle. So I'm going to draw the same size circle first, and then we're going to draw a smaller circle inside, making this little crescent shape. So this one's blue, has a little blue highlight, and then this one has the red or kind of pink highlight over here. Okay, now let's draw the directional pad over here, or the D-pad. We're going to draw a smaller circle right here for the up. Then we're going to draw another one right below it for the down, and then same size circle for left and right. We could also, if we can fit it in there, you could add the little triangles. Oh, it's so small. Got it. That's really small. And then we have the square button right here. It's a home button or chat button.
I think that's the picture button.
Picture button?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we got the home button over here. We could add that. It's just a small little circle like the directional buttons.
Yeah.
And there's no way I'm going to be able to put a home in there or house, but we can imagine. Oh, I'm going to try. Oh, no, it's just a square. And then we're going to draw, there's another square button over here. What's this one?
That's the new chat button.
The chat button.
Yeah.
Okay, good. And then we can add the X, Y, A, and B buttons up here.
Yeah.
There's a C button on that?
Yeah, there's a C on the chat
a C
yeah.
on the chat button. Okay. We could try to, I'm going to leave it off. Okay. Yeah, let's come up here. We'll do the B button. It's right above the joystick. Then we'll go up a little for the X button. and then the Y button, and A button. Yeah. These are white or light gray, so instead of adding them with the marker, we'll add those later at the very end with our white colored pencil.
Yeah.
Now, what buttons are we missing?
The bumpers.
Oh yeah, let's do that. So a little line there, and then we could add a little line over here, and then connect them. Trace around, and then let's repeat that same step over here. Little short line, and a short line, and then match. Well, this is a really big bumper. That's okay. Now you know they're there.
Yeah.
And we're missing a couple other buttons right here and right there.
The minus and plus button.
Yeah. Let's draw a really small rectangle shape. And then a plus over here. This one's a little tricky. You could just draw a cross, or I'm going to try to trace around. So I got the top part, then we got the sides, bottom, and the other side. Yeah, that makes it a lot easier.
Yeah.
Good job. Okay, and then we have one more button we're missing. Is this volume button?
Oh yeah, the volume button. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the one that sticks out.
Yeah, we can kind of see it. So we got a small rectangle and then another small rectangle next to it. These are actually the same button, right? But I think they stick up like two buttons so that you can turn it up or down.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's draw the screen. And we're gonna draw another rectangle shape inside of this one. So I'm gonna draw it right here, and we could get a little closer to the top and the bottom. Then let's turn our paper, and we can then drag this line towards us. And then we want to stop in the same distance over here that we have there. And we can do the same for the top. And then we'll connect the top down to the bottom. All right, we did it. Awesome. We finished drawing our Nintendo Switch 2.
Yes.
Except we still need to
Color them.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video to match our same color. We're really just gonna color everything a really dark gray, but we'll add the blue here and the red over here, or pink. And then we could also add our favorite game to the screen. That part we're gonna fast forward because we wanna challenge you guys to add your own favorite game. I think I'm gonna add Mario Kart.
Oh yeah.
All right, should we speed things up?
Yes.
All right, Austin, we did it. We finished coloring our switches, and they turned out awesome.
Yeah.
I hope our friends will take time to color their drawings, and we changed our mind. We did the classic Mario instead of Mario Kart because that one's a little challenging.
Yeah. I also like how it looks with the dark gray.
Yeah, you don't want to go too dark because then you won't be able to see the details.
Yeah.
And we used our white colored pencil to add the letters on the X, Y, and A button.
We hope you had fun drawing with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.